Meet StackChan, a desktop AI robot that's part toy, part assistant, and fully customizable. Developed through a collaboration between M5Stack and its user community, this compact device blends robotics, AI, and open-source flexibility into something you can actually interact with every day. At its core, StackChan is built around the M5Stack CoreS3, which uses an ESP32-S3 system-on-chip. That means you're getting a dual-core processor running at 240 MHz, paired with 16 MB of flash storage and 8 MB of PSRAM. It supports both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth LE for wireless connectivity, plus it includes infrared transmit and receive capabilities. On the wired side, you've got USB and GPIO, UART, and I2C interfaces for expansion. The main unit itself is packed with sensors and interaction hardware. There's a 2-inch capacitive touchscreen with a resolution of 320 by 240 pixels covered in high-strength glass. It's driven by an ILI 9342C chip and uses an FT6336U controller for multi-touch input. You also get a 0.3 megapixel camera with 640 by 480 resolution, a proximity sensor, and a 9-axis IMU that combines an accelerometer, gyroscope, and magnetometer. For audio, there are dual microphones with an ES3210 codec and a 1-watt speaker powered by a 16-bit I2S amplifier. There's also a micro SD card slot, 3 Grove interfaces for modular expansion, and Lego-compatible mounting holes if you want to build around it. The robot body adds another layer of functionality. It connects via USB-C for both power and data, and includes a 700 mAh battery for portability. 2 feedback servos give it movement. One rotates 360 degrees on the horizontal axis, and the other moves 90 degrees vertically. There are 12 RGB LEDs arranged in 2 rows, a 3-zone touch panel on top, and a full-featured NFC module. The whole thing weighs 186 grams and measures 54 by 70 by 62 millimeters, so it's compact enough to sit on a desk without taking over your workspace. Out of the box, StackChan comes with preloaded firmware that includes facial expressions, motions, and an AI agent called Xiaoji. It can respond to voice commands, answer everyday questions, set reminders, and even control smart home devices. The iOS app adds video call support, remote avatar features, and the ability to discover other StackChan units nearby. You can make it mimic your expressions, repeat what you say, or use it as a stand-in for video calls when you'd rather not be on camera yourself. Beyond the out-of-the-box experience, StackChan is designed to be fully customizable. The entire project is open source, including software, firmware, and hardware design files. You can program it using Arduino, UIFlow 2, Platform I/O, or ESP32-IDF, which gives you a lot of flexibility depending on your skill level. The community around StackChan has been creating custom behaviors, appearances, and add-on features, and you can download or adapt those creations for your own use. The app also lets you dress it up with outfits and stickers, or tweak how it reacts to inputs. As a practical device, StackChan can function as a desktop companion, a monitoring tool, or a smart home controller. You can check in on kids or elderly family members, notice unexpected visitors, or just have it keep you company while you work. The app gives you remote control over its expressions, movements, and connected devices, so you're not limited to being in the same room. So, what's the takeaway here? StackChan is an interesting blend of approachable robotics and serious maker potential. It's cute and interactive enough to function as a novelty or a desk toy, but the open source foundation and solid hardware give it real utility if you're willing to dig in. The 0.3 megapixel camera and 700 mAh battery aren't going to blow anyone away on paper, but they're appropriate for what this device is meant to do. The real value here is in how much you can modify and extend it, especially if you're already comfortable with platforms like Arduino or MicroPython. If you're looking for a polished, consumer-ready smart assistant, this probably isn't that. But if you want a hackable, community-driven robot that you can shape into whatever you need, StackChan delivers on that promise. It's expressive, functional, and flexible, and that combination is harder to find than you might think. That's StackChan. Let me know in the comments if you'd pick one up or what you'd build with it. Thanks for watching.